My name is Daniel Greversen. I'm the founder of PI Architecture. I'm an SAP mentor and I've been working with SAP PI XI for the last 7 years now, I think. So I've been quite involved with a lot of different technologies, and I've attended Teched in Las Vegas because I'm an SAP mentor. And some of the things that I learned there I'd like to share with you, which sessions that I find that is quite relevant for you to attend if you're working with PI XI or just want to know something about what's going on in that space. So I compiled a list, you can see it on the blog here, but I wanted to give you some more details on why I think these are quite relevant. Well, the first one I think is a PMC 202, which is the process integration roadmap, which take you through what are the thing or the way PI will be taking on through the next few years. This is quite relevant for, well, now there's a large change in what's going on. We're moving to an option where you have where CC BPM is, well, still be used, but we're moving to a place where we can actually use the Java stack only, because the modeling would be using NetWeaver BPM, and that has quite a lot of easy way to do it. It's all included in the same stack, so it will be really simple to use for users and developers. That means that there's a lot of emphasis on learning those skills, and because the ability to use the only single stack, the single stack only deployment option with both the NetWeaver BPM and the CC and the PI, it's a skill, and a lot of things is going to happen in that space. That's probably the thing that I found most interesting. One of the other things come to is well, it's actually the next session, PMC 164, process integration, integration flow deep dive hands-on. This is, well, the integration flows is what an Eclipse-based tooling that allows you to create integrations that you can use for managing the advanced adapter engine, or only configuration of integrations. So you use the integration flow if you want to create these integrated configuration. Can't remember if they changed the name of it for this release, but essentially it's just creating the communication channel and which mappings and all that kind of things, and you do it in the Eclipse-based tooling. So it's quite interesting, and it's using the NetWeaver BPMN notation for making these things. Then, well, we were talking about the NetWeaver BPM, and that was quite relevant. So another session that's relevant, that perspective, is PMC 106, business process model and notation, BPM, and for system integration. And, well, I at the moment don't know that much about BPMN, and so I think that's something that is quite relevant to know, because both the integration flows and the process modeling will be done in this tool, so it is something that you need to learn something about. Then there's PCM 200, SAP middleware solution and best practices, and I think this is yeah, SAP has delivered quite a lot of middleware process of tools as PI. There's some Sybase data source integration and Galaxy. So there's a lot of different solutions, and when do you choose which kind of these solutions? So I think that would be quite interesting to know. And another aspect of it, it's mentioned the crossgate and what's happening there with, I think would be quite relevant because, well, crossgate will seems like it's going to be integrated in PI at some point, so it will be quite interesting to know what's going on in that perspective. And then there's the PCM 215 automated business process using SAP NetWeaver BPM, SAP NetWeaver PI and custom development. This is a session hosted by Volkswagen, and getting someone else's perspective on what they have done for PI and development, I think is quite interesting. So I don't know much about what's going to happen on it, and if it would be useful, but just the notation of where we're going with this is, I would say, and how it can be used at such a large client will be quite useful. Then, well, I'm having 2 network expert networking lounge sessions or something like that. That, well, since I'm hosting them, it's probably a good idea to put them in this session. So I hope you have a chance to be there also. The first one is EXP 559, Excel as a PI developer. What is the skills and technologies and the abilities you have to have as a PI developer? What's the mindset? I'm hoping that you'd also attend this and bring some of your ideas, because I don't know everything of it, and hopefully we can get some better understanding on what we need to do in order for this to succeed. And then I have EXP 561, which is documentation for your SAP scenarios. We'll go through how you can actually make a better effort in documenting what you're doing for your contracts and everything that. So I found that quite an interesting topic, made some different products around it, and well, it takes me, I don't know, an hour, maybe less, to document quite an extensive integration scenario with it. So I really found some of these techniques quite useful. I guess that was quite a long list actually I ended up with these essential sessions. So I hope to see you at Teched Madrid, and I hope you get the chance to meet if you have any ideas on these topics. Please bump into me and have a talk with me. I don't have much planned there except these 2 sessions that I need to attend, because I did a lot of these hands-on and workshops at Las Vegas. So mostly there to just meet with people and have a great time. So see you there. Goodbye.